Problems within Outlook itself can also prevent attachments from opening. This could involve issues with the preview pane, problematic add-ins like those from Adobe or antivirus software, or even corruption within your Outlook data files, such as PST or OST files. A more comprehensive fix involves repairing your Microsoft Office installation. Start by opening the control panel on your computer. Step 1. Open Control Panel on your computer. Step 2. Select Programs and Features or uninstall a program. Step 3. Find Microsoft Office in the list of programs. Step 4. Right-click Microsoft Office, select Change, then choose Repair. This can resolve underlying issues within the Office suite. Antivirus software, such as Windows Defender, Norton, or McAfee, often includes real-time scanning that can quarantine email attachments it deems suspicious, preventing Outlook from opening them. To troubleshoot, first temporarily disable your antivirus software's real-time protection. Be aware that this leaves your computer vulnerable to threats. Then, attempt to open the attachment in Outlook. If it opens successfully, the antivirus was indeed blocking it. If this resolves the issue, permanently adjust your antivirus settings to create exceptions for Outlook and allow email attachments from trusted sources. Important warning: only disable antivirus temporarily and at your own risk. This step should be approached cautiously to avoid exposing your system to malware. Solution number 6 focuses on checking file permissions. If the attachment is located on a shared drive, ensure you have the necessary permissions to access it. Contact your IT administrator if you're unsure about your permissions. Microsoft's roadmap emphasizes cloud-first attachments, with plans to phase out local file handling in favor of OneDrive integration. This shift prioritizes cloud storage through OneDrive, as shown by the OneDrive logo. The benefits include enhanced security and improved collaboration capabilities. This OneDrive advertisement illustrates how cloud storage makes data accessible from anywhere. The data flow diagram shows how OneDrive integrates with Outlook and other Microsoft services. However, this transition might require adjustments to your current workflow to fully benefit from the cloud-first approach. Mobile attachment problems are growing as more users rely on smartphones. If you're having trouble opening attachments on iOS or Android devices, try manually downloading the attachment first. Make sure to check that you have sufficient storage space available on your device before downloading. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as poor connectivity can prevent attachments from downloading properly. These steps can help resolve most mobile attachment issues in Outlook. Looking ahead, the future of Outlook attachment handling lies in AI automation and unified ecosystems. AI will automatically resolve most attachment issues, significantly reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Unified ecosystems will integrate Outlook with cloud services and AI tools, creating a seamless environment where attachments are handled securely and efficiently across all devices. By 2028, experts predict that AI will automatically resolve 70% of attachment issues, leading to a 50% reduction in user-reported problems by 2030 through better education and built-in diagnostics.